Today, let's look at how to answer this question. Figure shows an automobile alloy rim with tie. The distance from the center of the alloy rim to the outer layer of the tie is 40 millimeters. So the distance from the center to the outer layer of this tie is 40 millimeters. And the distance from the center of the alloy rim to the outer part of the rim is 30 millimeters. So the distance from this center to the outer part of the rim, this point, is 30 millimeters. Alright, if the alloy rim together with the tie rolls without slipping on a straight road, trace the locus of point P for one complete revolution of the alloy rim and the tie. Now this is point P. Alright, so we have the outer part of the tie and the outer part of the rim. Now, are we drawing an inferior trochoid or a superior trochoid? The point P is within the rolling circle. Alright, and this means we are drawing an inferior trochoid. Let's draw our horizontal straight line. Now the tie is having a radius of 40 millimeters. The rim has a radius of 30 millimeters. Let's measure 3 centimeters. Now, this rim has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts. Alright, so we'll divide this circle into 10 parts. Notice that the entire circle has an angle of 360 degrees. So half will be 180 degrees, right? This means that each division will have an angle of 36 degrees. So the first one will be 36, followed by 72, followed by 108 degrees, then 144 degrees. Now with these 2 points, we can draw the next mark here. Alright. So from this point through the center to mark the circumference. Alright. This is point P. So we'll have 1. Now, what is the length of this circle? The formula for finding the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d. Alright, pi times 80 millimeters would give us 251 millimeters, which is the same as 25.1 centimeters. Now we have to divide this line into 10 equal parts. Alright. Now let's take a distance of 1.5 centimeters. Now transfer it along this line. Draw a line to connect this 10th point to the point here. Let's call this point M. Now we're going to draw parallel lines from this point to meet this baseline. Let's call this point 1, 2. Now we're going to draw horizontal lines. Alright, 10 to 2, 9 through 3, and so on. Let's do another one through the center. All right. Now we'll project these lines to meet the center line. Let's call this C0, C1, C2 in the order. Now we have P at this point, right? We need to start the numbering of this circle in a clockwise direction. All right. So instead of starting 1, 2, 3, 4, we needed to start from 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So let's change it. So we have P here. P. 1, 2. With this correction done, we can now mark out the points to draw the curve. All right. So let's take the distance from C to P. Stand at C1 and draw an arc through the line 1. Stand at C2. Draw an arc to cut the line through 2. Stand at C3. Similarly, draw an arc through the line passing through point 3, and so on. Now we need to draw a smooth curve through this point. All right. Finally, we've been able to generate the curve, and that solves our problem. Thanks for watching.